Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a great and simple way to brighten up a kitchen. So we are actually going to be selling this home, and so this is a sneak peek of this beautiful house in Frisco. I will give you details later, but it is very brown, and you know right now white kitchens are in, and so we are trying to find ways to make the kitchen, highlight the kitchen and how large the space is, and the countertops, which you don't really find in new homes with large countertops. So we did that by breaking up the browns with whites and lighter colors. So this is what I want to show you. So as you can see over here in the stove area, we added a little vignette over here with, you know, the utensils and white to break up the brown. And then over here around the stove area, again, we brought in some elements, some metals and some marble, again, light and airy to break up the backsplash of the brown countertops. And then here is a cute little baking area. We have the beautiful mixer. It coordinates with the color of the recipe in the cookbook, and it looks very unified and open and fresh and clean, and it's a great way to break up the brown so there's not so much brown. Another thing that you want to do is you always want to add texture on the ground by adding floor mats, because you need to break up this tile, and again, this is brown tile, so we did that by adding some textured floor mats that are bright and airy. They have a little bit of sheen to them, so they catch the light really well, and this breaks up the brown area. And so another thing you can do is you could stage like a little coffee area, because you just want to highlight the different functionalities of the kitchen. And so, you know, we have our Keurig and, you know, cute cups and everything, and this just highlights that this could be like a coffee bar or whatever area you want this to be. And then on this side of the kitchen, it's like a prep area or bar area, and so we've created little vignettes here for bar, because you know we could all use a drink these days. So here's a cute little book with like fun little glasses. It shows how open and wide the space is for prep or bar area or anything you want to use this area for, you know, depending on what the best functionality is for your family. But it definitely breaks up the brown and adds a lot to this kitchen and making it bright and airy. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.